Push from the start again. Damn right, it's just way a man live. Me move from the negative to positive, so me have to do it big, 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 big like Jesus. Lord Jesus.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people, when you remember say Mavado did found out with a picture portray himself to be like Jesus. Well, it's a song, you see me? And the song is called Like Jesus. And Mavado compare himself with Jesus. Well, in a way, but what? He must say he want to be big like Jesus. And people, talk the truth. Everybody want to be like Jesus. Not necessarily be like Jesus as in blaspheming Jesus, but everybody want to walk the road there as where Jesus walk. Everybody want to do righteous thing as where Jesus did do. And at that move I talk about in that song here. But people are just the preview me get. So you go stick around. You go stick around to the Chaddy TV to get the exclusive review when this tune drop. Me not tell a lie. The preview alone sound hot already. People, wanna hear it again.
Push from the start again. Damn right, it's just way a man live. Me move from the negative to positive, so me have to do it big, 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 big like Jesus. Lord Jesus.
So people, more wanna understand Mavado trend as the title and name in him song them from what he is in. First, the man go Father God. Alright then. Father God, don't make you fight me so hard. And then the man go dancehall prophecy. You see me? And people, more wanna take close note of them two words there. Father God, dancehall prophecy. You know say Father and God, Father God attribute to the Christian society. It religious. The word alone, Father God, religious. Dancehall prophecy. Prophecy them normally attach it to a Christian word or phrase or whatever. Them normally attach it to Christianity. And now him say like Jesus. See say Mavado does a show people them say yo, a righteousness him a deal with. And I feel like say that song I go talk about. You see me? That song I go just show you say yo, you know what? A righteousness we a deal with, you know. And put a little party spin off to it. You see me? Because you hear it again. Me not talk it out, you hear it again.
Push from the start again. Damn right, it's just way a man live. Me move from the negative to positive, so me have to do it big, 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 big like Jesus. Lord Jesus.
Yeah man, the man go Lord Jesus, says he big like Jesus. And everybody for pray that, you know, and try to be big like this Jesus. You see me? But it's your boy DJ Chaddy. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. You know what I mean? Tell me if you feel like that song is going to be a hot song. Or tell me if you feel like that song is going to be a flop song. Tell me in the comment section. People, remember to subscribe, comment, share, like, and do all of those lovely things. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out.
Push from the start again. Damn right, it's just way a man live. Me move from the negative to positive, so me have to do it big, 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 big like Jesus.